I'm scared and I'm alone.
Being afraid is alright.
I'm very, very scared.
Fear is a superpower.
Little ghost, you're listening. I'm like most, you don't miss a thing.
In the eye, look at me.
You see the truth.
Tell me what happened to the doctor.
I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me. No one but you.
Did you see me?
When do I not see you?
You've always loved the strange
fly off from the
birds.
vault?
Now I want to fly into
Because
your world.
it's amazing.
I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly, pretty.
Fear can make you faster and cleverer and stronger.
Running the other way. To make a new one.
Oh, little ghost, you see the pain, but
And one
together we can
You're going to
make
come back to this
something
part, and on that day, you're going to be very afraid indeed.
So take my
That's
hand
okay.
and perfectly. We
Because if
fill
you're
the
very
gaps.
wise
You only made 3 hours
and
meant
very
for you and you for me.
Fear doesn't have to make you cruel and coward.
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly, pretty.
What if the universe needs me to die?
The universe is over, it doesn't say anymore. I'm answerable to no one.
I'll come back for you. I swear.
Do you love me?
No.
You really had enough of the lies.
You've always
your
loved the
boyfriend.
strange
You made yourself
birds.
essential to me. You've
I
given me
want
something
to
else to...
fly into your world.
I never thought you were.
I never said it was your mistake.
My wounded
Smile for me.
wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly, pretty.